In this video, we will see how the operator contain keywords work. For this, we will start by adding the operator in a task list. For this, we will go into our editor and in a repeating group task list, we will go into the data source and we will add a search constraint named contains keywords input tasks value, and we will check the ignore empty constraints option here. So now we will go back to our page and see how this works. We will start by searching for our first task here, edit the video content, and for this I will just write ed here and see that no matching task found. Why is this? This is because contain keywords does not work for partial words. It starts by looking for complete words. So if I write edit, it will give me all the tasks that contains edit in. So now how does the contain keywords work? It works by breaking down the entire argument provided into component words. So it will treat edit the video content as 4 different words, and it will then look for those specific words into the task or into the text string. Now, the next thing that we can see here is that this is not case sensitive, as I have provided a lowercase e in the edit while the task list contains capital E in it. So this shows that this operator is not case sensitive. It will return values for either of upper or lowercase characters. The third thing about this operator is that it does not care for the order of the words. So if I write video add of edit, it will return me the values which can contain these specific words. The next thing that we will see here is that this operator does not care for stop words. It starts by removing the stop words such as the and end. What I mean by it is if I write edit and then video, this still returns the matching tasks by ignoring the words the and end in a task list. These are considered as stop words such as a and the and. So our operator doesn't care about these stop words and it removes it while considering or matching the tasks with the provided value. So this is the third thing how the operator works. The last thing about contain keywords is that it does not return values for partial words. So if I remove even a O from the video, it will not return the value. We see no matching task found because this does not work for partial words. The words need to be complete for the contain keywords to work. Now providing O back, we get the value. So this is how the contain operators work. They start by breaking down the string into different component words. It ignores the case of the given word or the letter, which means it is not case sensitive. Third, it does not care for the order of the words. It ignores stop words such as a and the. And lastly, it checks for complete words and it doesn't work for partial words. That's it for contain keywords operator. To learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.